Are you ready to revisit this traumatizing British classic? Watership Down sees a group of rabbits leave their warren to find a new home, after a young buck named Fiver has a premonition of its destruction. Watership Down is a beloved British classic for good reason, and it's wonderful to see it lovingly restored. Thanks to this restoration, you can truly appreciate the artistry that went into making the film. It is so nice to rewatch a film you enjoyed years ago and find it as good, if not better, than you remember. Watership Down is of course worth a watch.